So just check, see what she does when we roll it this way. She should extend her arms again. Extend it this way. Okay, good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold her up by one leg, okay? And her head should go in the opposite direction, okay? This is where people kind of get freaked out. It's like, well, she's very strong, do that, okay? So bring it up here, good. Okay, it's good. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, and see, she's having trouble going to that opposite side. Okay, good. So have you noticed that her head's been more towards that right side? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, her atlas is off to the left side. There we go. It's better. Okay, good. So let's see. Now get it rotated to the other side there. Okay. So we need to work on that. Maybe some biophysics. Now put your finger up. I'm going to show you the force we're going to use. Okay. Put your finger up. That's the force we're going to use. Okay. So she's got a right cervical rotation, so she's not going to want to go to this other side. But let's see if we can get her go at least center here. Good. Good. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Alright. Good. So I'll open the eye after that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to hold her up. It's called a reverse fencer. We're going to see her go to the other side, hopefully. So we should see her head now turn. Okay, it's turning better to that other side. Yeah, there we go. I wish you had seen it before it was stuck to the other side, although we do have it on video. So we'll be able to rewatch that. Okay, and that's all we really need to do is check Atlas at this point. And we should check Atlas a few more times, maybe about three or four times, and then that should be fine. And then when she starts to crawl, then that's when we're going to want to check her thoracic area and then down into her sacrum when she starts crawling. And then when she starts walking, then she'll just, all kinds of crazy things will happen, falling down and getting hit here and there. So that's good. She'll be doing a whole lot better with the pressure off that brainstem now. Good. And the only thing you missed before is I was doing that manually. And so what I was doing is I came over here and I put this much pressure on her. Like that. Looks like a lot, but it wasn't. Okay.